So Søren and I met here at LBS as classmates on the Executive MBA program, and that was about 10 years ago now. And I always say, where does an NHS doctor meet a Danish investor other than here at London Business School? It was this incredible melting pot of students from all over the world. And LBS didn't just broaden our perspectives and shape our careers, it really changed the course of our lives because we both met here. And the return on investment of meeting your life partner is limitless. As a couple, it's deeply important to us to support the school because LBS feels like home. This is where we met. The school has given us so much individually and as a couple, and we feel it's a no-brainer to give back to the community here. We understand how education is this lever that you can go on and unlock untapped opportunity with, and we want that for everyone who comes to LBS. Giving back is so much more than the financial contribution you're making, whether it be small or large. It's about strengthening the community that has shaped you, that has changed your life, ensuring its longevity and ensuring its future impact. 10 years ago, Søren and I were sitting inside this lecture theatre taking exams as part of our degree programme. And today the lecture theatre is named after us. This is what dreams are made of, and that's what makes LBS so special. Our hope is that this space will be one of opportunity, the very thing that shaped our own time here at LBS. We hope that students will be inspired to think differently based on their incredible learning, the values and skills that they're honing here at LBS, right here in our lecture theatre.